G'day guys, I just finished filming a bait fishing session here at Lake Eppalock, and I was driving past the Kimbolton #1 boat ramp, which is just over there, and I thought, gee, this water looks really good, and I had my lure rod on me. So it's got a little striped Bullet Lures minnow on there. It's the only lure I brought with me, so if I lose it, bad luck. But see if I can give you a little bit of uncut redfin fishing. Assuming I can cast deep enough to make the lure work. And if I don't catch anything, you won't see this. So if you're watching, I'm gonna catch something. Well, that's plenty deep enough for this bullet lure. Beautiful. Now I just got to find a fish. Oh, there we go. Oh, he got off. Second cast I got one though. Quick, untangle. Yep, get it back out where it was. Must be a school there. Well, I'm assuming there's a school there. There's usually a school where one redfin, there's usually more. And I know I misspoke that part, but words are hard, okay? Well, it's definitely not as serene. I reckon I had to follow. As Robbie would say, how's the serenity? But that's why I went bait fishing at the quiet part of the lake, not here. But it just looked really good here to flick a lure around. And I got a fish on the second cast, so I just didn't land the bugger. Oh, he got off as well. I was right though. Oh, yes, right in front of me. Oh my God, no wonder they're getting off. He's not much bigger than the lure. Look at that. There you go. And he unhooked in my hand. Well, he's all right. Off he goes. Had a bit of a juggle and I dropped him, but I landed that one. He was in my hand. Let's get another one. There's certainly a pack of them out there. I'll just keep casting that way unless I stop getting bites. I say that and then cast in a complete different direction, but oh well. Touch. Got him. Nope. Ugh, reindeer fish. Come on, mate. I caught your brother when I was bait fishing today. The sun is going down, so I've only got about 10-15 minutes of visibility, if that. That's a fish. He's a bit bigger than the last one. Not a monster, but he would eat the last one that I caught. 2 fish in 5 minutes or so, not bad. Get him on. Wow, they're sharp. There you go. This one's about 15 centimeters. Nice colors, if you can see. Silhouetted against the sky there. See you, mate. All right, see if I can get a couple more. Touch. Whoa, they're out there. Might cast in a different direction. They seem to have moved on. I haven't had a touch in a few casts. We'll go over there towards that shrubbery. Oh, there was a touch. Have I found them again? Don't know. I might have just bumped the rock, but we'll find out. I'll cast again, and if I get a touch in the same place, I'll know it was just bumping over a rock. Yep. That is a rock. And I might be losing my bullet lure here. I only got the one lure on me. I'll go bow and arrow technique. Try that. You know what? It's worked. Let me know if you want me to do a video on that bow and arrow technique to show you how it's done. I've saved many lures using that technique. Ah, they've disappeared. Try on a bit of an angle. Way over there. Back out in front. Surely they're not too far away. They can't have all buggered off. Well, I can't say they can't have. They probably can. They've probably gone way down there or over near the boat ramp or something. Well, I'll just keep casting and hopefully they come back. Oh, got him right in front of me. Oh, biggest one yet. I thought I bumped the rock a couple of times, but it was this guy having swipes at it. Get your spikes down so I can hold you and get you unhooked. You beauty. They are still here. Ugh, I hate when the top and the bottom lip are hooked. Makes it tricky to unhook. Hang on. Give yourself a bit more line to work with here. There's one hook out, 2, 3 hooks out. Gotcha. Open your mouth so we can have a look. There we go. 3 jet skis and a powerboat in the background. He's got a wonky bent tail, but he's about 18 centimetres. Biggest one yet. See you, mate. All right. I haven't got too long left, but I'll keep casting. Oh, that was a hit. No, didn't come back. It was only just here though. That's where the last one hit as well. They might be right in front of me here. My lure's fouled. Come on. If I twitch it like that. Nah. Untangle. Nah. Need the hands. Oh goodness. Oh, there you go. I don't need the hands. It untangled itself. All right, let's call 5 more casts, eh? That's 1. Oh, that was a hit. Come back. No, they're still right there in front of me. Look, I'll go little cast. It might be more than 5 casts. If they're still here, I'll keep casting. I'll count anyway. That was 2. I'll go the long cast again. As long as this light lure will allow me to cast. That was number 3. Oh, lost them again. They move around very quickly. 4. Five. Oh, I got hooked on that rock again. No, not a rock, just a leaf. All right. And there's always time for one last cast. Oh well, that wasn't a bad quick little session. I think I landed 3 and I lost a couple of others. There you go, that's 12 minutes roughly of fishing, uncut fishing at Lake Eppalock. Hopefully you liked it. I didn't mind it, obviously. See you in the next one.